how to unblock someone on Cash App. Now, if you happen to block someone on Cash App and then you want to unblock that person, it is very simple to do it. But you will have to go to Cash App. Once you open Cash App, just tap on the activity icon located at the bottom right. Once you tap on the activity icon located at the bottom right, from here what you have to do is to simply find the transaction with the person you want to unblock. So you must have made some kind of transaction with that person. Just find the transaction with that person and go to their profile page, and once done you will find the unblock button right next to their profile page. This way you will be able to go ahead and then unblock someone on Cash App. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.